It's December the 15th, welcome to another video of the VW Golf Advent Calendar here on Mark II Golf Stories. Let's see what we have today. Is it going to be more exciting than a cardboard flag or tyre? We just don't know. Let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look. There's 15 down here today. Oh, so today we have the loudspeaker. Hopefully I'll get some screws with this. I'm guessing this will sit under here, like that. Actually, possibly even that way. That'd make more sense, wouldn't it? It'll sit on there like that. So hopefully I'll get some screws to screw that in. But for now, well, I'll just leave it like that. It's going to fit in place. No, I'll leave the speaker plugged in. Leave this off. There you go, it's a bit more exciting than some paper flags, wasn't it? In Austria in 1982, there was a decline in tourism, and the tourism director advertised for owners of Mark I Golf GTIs to come to Lake Worvesty. Worvesty? Is that right? I don't know, I'm not Austrian. If you're Austrian, let me know if my pronunciation is right or completely wrong. 160 GTI fans took him up on his offer and travelled with 72 of these cars. And the following year, 2,000 visitors came. So I'm guessing this plan worked pretty well. VW supported the event and representatives from Salzburg and Wolfsburg were on site. VW also brought a full-size Golf finished in granite. Looks like quite the do. What a beautiful location. That's it. Join us tomorrow on the 16th for more exciting VW facts. Bye.